passion evolved into a full service. We started out doing cupcakes, we went into wedding cakes, from wedding cakes we went into birthday cakes, then birthday cakes became catering. I wasn't happy with what we could get in terms of equipment, so we started building up a small stock, which is now fairly comprehensive, that for a catering up to 120, we can give everything from beginning to end. Plates, cutlery, glassware, cake, food, menu, waiters, bar. Okay, we can do the whole lot in one shot. So the beauty of this job is that every wedding is different. The venue, the villas in Phuket are very nice villas, usually on the beach. We are always asked to do something different. One week we'll be doing a Thai menu, the next week we'll be doing a fusion menu, the next week we'll be doing a family-style barbecue. It's always interesting. There's always something different to do. Anne and Gay, the two foundations of Jub Jub, they have been doing it for 5 years now. They've made more than 1 million cupcakes. They've made more than 1,000 wedding cakes, plus birthday cakes. If you do anything that many times, you're going to get very good at it. And they are impressive. It's my belief that we can all make lovely food. Anyone can do it. It's not rocket science. But to give excellence in your service, whether it's serving the food to a customer, serving the cake, making the cake, taking the order, planning the wedding, planning the catering, doing a cooking class. If you really want to help that person have a great time, that's what I call serving excellence. And that's what we're about.